of A, are you there, plus, let me first use times square root of B is the same thing as square root of A times B. Let's take, for instance, we have root 2 times root 3 is same thing as root 2 times 3, which is root 6. That is 1. 2. If we have square root of A divided by square root of B, this one is the same thing as square root of A all over square root of B, which is the same thing as overall square root of A over B. So let's say, for instance, we have root 3 divided by root 7. So it's the same thing as root 3 over 7. Let's say this one can cancel this, then you can easily take to the lowest term. Now, for the third one, if we have square root of A plus square root of B, in a real sense, most of you might be saying this one is the same thing as square root of A plus B, which is not. It is not possible. So we can say not. Exactly. Not equal to. It means if we have square root of 2 plus square root of 3 is not the same thing as square root of 2 plus 3, which is square root of 5. It can't be the same at all. Do you get that? Let me use perfect square. Let's say we have square root of 9 plus square root of 4. It is not the same thing as square root of 9 plus 4. You know, it's not even possible. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 4 is 2. But 9 plus 4 is 13. And root 13 can never give us 5. It's not possible. Root 13 can never give us 5. Did you get that? Root 13 should be 3 point something. Now, that's the third law. The fourth law. If we have square root of A minus square root of B, it is not the same thing as square root of A minus B. This one is applicable to the additive law. Now that means, let's say we have square root of 7 minus square root of 5. It's not the same thing as square root of 7 minus 5. It can never be the same. Are you with me? Any question? So all these ones we have here, they are the rules that is guiding Surds. So you must know this before we solve problems on Surds. Exactly. And under Surds, we have rationalization of Surds, but then we need to consider the conjugate, exactly, of a Surd, and also similar Surds. These are the things we must consider before we delve into the aspect of Surds in proper. But all these ones are the rules guiding Surds. Exactly. So grab this, share, like, and don't forget, subscribe to my channel. Exactly. So have a splendid and special day. Thanks for stopping by.